welcome back to Erika's Progress, where I show you all my progress. Today is the part 3 of my thesis project process, and today I am working on the motion cover aspect, and I will be using only Adobe After Effects for this portion. I do plan on changing it. This was kind of rushed because I was just trying to get this basics down so I could start working on the larger part of my project, which is the kinetic type area, and I'm starting to work on the marketing for this exhibition that we're doing for our thesis projects, and that's also taking a toll on my time. So I wanted to just get this part done, which I guess is not the best action, but having it done versus having nothing I guess is better. But anyway, let's explain what I'm doing. In this portion, I'm exporting every single area of the album cover separately, so then I could move everything on its own if need be. I do want to animate the tongue more than I did in this video. As you'll see, I didn't really animate it much. I mainly just animated position and scale, so I do want to fix up that area a bit more and make it more like actual motion covers that you'd see on, for example, Apple Music. That was the point of my motion area, and we all know my concentration is motion, so I really wanted to zero in on that for this project because my thesis is how does motion graphics impact an artist's identity, visual identity I should say. So I really am trying to get a lot of motion in there, hence why I have a motion logo and a motion cover and a kinetic typography lyric video to go along with it. I do have some ideas of the song I want to use for the kinetic type. I know I'm getting ahead of myself, but I just want to give you guys some of my thoughts that I'm having right now. I was going to do The Beach by The Neighborhood, which isn't really giving Glass Tongue by Dusk Veil. Like, I don't see them releasing that song in this album because this album seems more rough around the edges. I don't know if my mind is changing because I have been listening to Breach by 21 Pilots like crazy because I am going to their the Clancy tour Breach in October this month soon, and I am just like, when I listen to it, I'm like, some of these songs are giving Glass Tongue way more, and I think I was very influenced by them because I was working on this while I was listening to like The Contract and Drum Show when they released their singles before the album. So I think I'm pretty influenced by that, which is hence why this is kind of straying away from what I initially wanted for the album. So the song may change. I was thinking of R.I.P. to Our Youth, or To My Youth by The Neighborhood, because I feel like it has more of that rock in it, which is giving this album more. I didn't want to use a song that's too overused, hence why I was doing The Beach, because it isn't as overused. Let's say Reflections or Softcore by The Neighborhood, and I just really want something strong that like I could show them, like, oh, maybe I can potentially help you with like your branding, or you never know, guys. So I always want to have some stuff to show them if that happens. I might use a 21 Pilots song. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think would really fit Glass Tongue, because I really need to start working on that kinetic typography video quickly. For now, it is The Beach, and I might change that. I'm pretty sure I am going to change it, though, because it's not really giving Glass Tongue. But enough with the yapping. I bored you guys enough with that. I'll let you guys finish watching this video, and yeah, enjoy. here's the final album cover, motion version I should say. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Once again, any criticism is very, very needed because of course looking at your own designs you never see the flaws until other people point them out. But I will most likely be making another part of me editing this and fixing it up a bit, moving the tongue a little bit more. But the next video will be my progress of doing sketches and how I get to these points in my vector area. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!